Hi, it's Dr. Centeno, and I'd like to introduce you to the Interventional Orthobiologics Fellowship Program at Centeno-Schultz. Interventional Orthobiologics is the precise image-guided placement of substances which can heal the musculoskeletal system. And we have a full one-year fellowship which is quite unique. It's one of the only on Earth that is 100% focused on orthobiologics. Our fellows are also responsible for dozens of clinical research articles that are in the literature right now. And we also have a university-style research lab that's second to none. The qualification for this program is either PM&R with spine experience or sports medicine with spine experience. These are our fellows to date, and they are leaders in the field of orthobiologics. So we'd love to see you become a leader in that field as well. Thank you.